Welcome back. Today we'll be exploring computer agent architecture. But before jumping into that, imagine having a digital helper, probably an AI agent that can not only chat with you but can also control and do things on your behalf on your own computer. Before I introduce you to computer agent, let's compare three main players in the market right now. One is OpenAI Operator. This is basically a research tool that uses GPT-4o to browse the web and handle tasks like buying groceries or booking reservations. While it's so powerful, it's still work in progress. The open source alternatives for this particular tool, I recommend to use browser use or Skyone AI. And the second, Anthropic's computer use. Similar to operator, built similar to operator functionalities, but it's built with extra safety in mind. It's designed for enterprise use, and I think in my own vision, like it consumes lots of tokens, and the budget is too high. Though it was not providing you the computer access, it only can access the browser. It's less nimble actually. Third one, the pig. Recently entered into the market, a flexible platform for developers or businesses to build custom AI agents to control computer via virtual desktop. Most recent one, and this is funded by YC. That's why we have created Computer Agent, a digital assistant that blends the best of all these tools, can be configured with any LLM completely for free. It is designed to make your day easier by taking care of routine work so that so you can automate your computer using AI agents. Let me explain you in detail. Let's start with the architecture diagram. The computer agent is having three sub-agents, like which can interact with web agent, which can interact with system agent, which can interact with terminal agent. You can name it as this is an interaction layer between computer agent and the memory agent. Every agent will be having some memory attached to it so that it can remember what the previous action it has done, and it can be shareable with the computer agent. The beauty of this, you can also run these individual agents separately without any computer agent. See here, the system agent handles GUI based tasks such as opening files, manipulating windows, and interacting with desktop elements. Currently supported only on Windows. Maybe in future we'll be developing for Linux, macOS, etc. Web search agent automates web browsing to gather data or solve tasks using online resources. This agent is fully functional and reliable. Third, the terminal agent executes terminal commands for advanced operations. This component is fully operational and performs tasks efficiently. Not but last least, memory agent stores and recalls past actions to improve decision making and avoid redundant operations. This basically is still in development, but it can be useful for now. Let's install it. Just a git clone. I have already done that. I have done a git clone here. You can do git clone, install all the requirements, and just run yap.py. Let's I have installed all the requirements in a virtual environment, so I'll just try to open the virtual environment. Just run yap.py. But before jumping into yap.py, I just wanted to show you the examples how we can actually use this computer agent. Uh, this computer agent you can just import from SRC agent, and you can just import computer agent. As I told you, it's completely for free, so that we'll be using Google's API key and Grok API key for voice input. Here is how you will define a computer agent. Agent is equal to computer agent. If you, for now we will be not using any vision. If you want to use vision, make it true. Browser instance Chrome. I'll show you the .env. You can have this examples.py file where you will be placing Grok API key, Google API key, user data, browser instance, downloads, and Open API key if you have. Then just once you have configured all the requirements into the .env file, and you are ready to go. Since they are here to use computer agent for free, I'll use Gemini 2.0 Flash from Google's Gemini models, and I'll be using Whisper Large V3 from Grok. If you wanted to enable the vision, make it true. And if you want to enable token usage, make it true. And you can also control max iteration steps for the computer agent. Today, I'll be not diving into these examples. Instead, I'll show you the CLI version, how you can configure and run computer agent in the terminal. And I'll show you the GUI version of computer agent. It will open a window in your desktop so that you can directly access it from there. For now, I'll before running the script, make sure you have installed all your requirements in the requirements.txt file. Python GUI.py. See, it has opened a beautiful window in the taskbar. You can easily see that in here. Now, I can use computer agent from my desktop itself. Let's say search for Richardson Gunde and list out all these skills into a notepad. What happens here? The computer agent will make use of web research about Richardson Gunde, and it will open system agent to open the notepad and list all his skills into a notepad. We are enabling two agents in here by a computer. Let's say I'll run this task. It was trying to open my Google Chrome browser. It is searching for Richardson Gunde skills. Hope it has identified all the skills. Now it should open the notepad. See, I'm not controlling my mouse. My mouse is automatically controlled by my. It was using the search bar to search for notepad. It has opened a notepad. First, let me clear all this stuff so that see, it was entering all my skills into a notepad. The task is completed. Let's go back to the terminal and see what it has done. Okay, the task is not yet completed. It was also saving the particular notepad. Even I have not mentioned it. It was utilizing my downloads folder since they have redirected the downloads directly to their files. Then publicly added. It has named Richardson Gunde skills.txt. And it click on save. Now the task is completed. Let's go through all the logs in the terminal. First, the computer agent has been started. Thought I need to find information about Richardson Gunde skills and save them into the notepad. First, I'll use web agent to search for information about it. It was using the web agent to search information from me. It has scraped some information through web. After that, it was redirecting this to system agent so that system agent can open the notepad to enter the details. This is the simple uh, workflow what it has done. Now let's go. Earlier we have done through text. We'll use voice input here. Search for latest news from India and make a note of all the latest news along with the links into your notepad. See, search for latest news from India and make a note of all the latest news along with the links into notepad. I just click on send. See how beauty it is. You can use AI agents to control your own computer without paying for any LLM provider. You can use it for free. Imagine the complex use cases. You're dealing with multiple system applications. It could be really helpful. See, it has searched for latest news from India in the browser. Hope it has scraped something. And now it should do the same task. It has opened the notebook, searching in the search bar. Now it was trying to paste all the text it has identified into your notepad. Let's wait and see. See, here I have asked for URL, it was giving me the URL. It has given me the second. How beautiful it is. Imagine you wanted to search for some information into the web and create a PowerPoint presentation with the data. You can usually do it. Or if you wanted to make the Word document with all the research that agent has done, you can also do it. It was completely handling your own computer for free, and you don't need to pay any single penny for any LLM provider right now. Once the task is completed, I'll also show you how you can access. See, I have told you there is an interaction layer for computer agent and memory agent, right? We'll try to access the interaction layer, individual agents like web agent, system agent, and terminal agent individually, irrespective of using computer agent. I'll just show you. You can access that from the UI itself. See how beautiful it is. It was missing some spaces since we have not mentioned that though it was trying to make a note of all the latest news into the notepad. I'm not doing any fast forward here. See the speed. Observe within 2 to 3 minutes the task is purely completed. For every item, it was giving me the URL since I have asked for it. Hope the task is completed. It will save this file. Latest India news.psc. Awesome. It was making sure it was into the downloads directory. And it clicked on save. Let's go back to the terminal and see what happened. See the final answer. The new sentence of URL has been typed into the notepad and saved as latest India news.txt in the downloads folder. Now let's see what information it actually scraped. Similarly, search for latest news from India. Computer is redirecting this task to web agent so that it can get top 5 articles along with their URLs. It has scraped these information. It was processing that into a neat format. It was passing that to system agent to open the notepad, and it has completed the task. Now, as I told you, let's. I don't want to use that. Let's assign. Let's see how you can assign system agent separately. You click on at the rate, you will be getting three options: web agent, system agent, and terminal agent. Let's go step by step. We'll be using web agent. What is the best platform to implement AI agents? I'll be using web agent. I'll click on enter. It should directly use the web. It will not pass to computer agent anymore. Here you will be accessing this interaction layer individually. That's the flexibility computer agent offers you. No need to worry about the blockers. No need to worry about the security because it was in your computer. It was using your own accounts. No need to bother for anything. Even if for enterprise use or for personal use, computer agent is flexible. See, it was searched for best platform for implementing AI agents for non-programmers. As of my knowledge, the best platforms now in the market are Gumloop, N10, and Make.com. Hope so. Let's go to the terminal and let's see what happened. Here is the some of the best platforms to implement AI agents for non-programmers. It gave me N10, it gave me Langflow, VoiceFlow, Ordinary, Diffie, Glide. Maybe might it be missed the Gumloop because I have seen the Gumloop is doing well nowadays. It has directly accessed the web agent to scrape the information. Now we'll see how you can use the system agent. Now we have done demo for web agent. Now we'll be using system agent. At the rate, click on system agent. I want system agent to can you please write a story about dog in medium. It's so simple. My expectation is that it should open this medium and it should execute it. I'll send it. Let's see what happens. Since we are not using vision for now, it should be in medium. Maybe I should have been clearly mentioned. Okay, anyhow, let it complete. We'll give the prompt in it. See, it was writing a story, but in Notepad. But I want that story to be written in medium. Let's wait to this be completed. Hope the task is completed. Let's go back to the terminal and let's see why this failed. Sorry, it was trying to save it. I forgot. Dogstory.txt. Okay. Hope it has saved. Let's wait for the final answer from system agent. We got the final answer from the system agent. Let's go back. Let's go back and ask it very clear. Open media map and write a new story along with title and five with and 5,000 words about dog dogs love towards human. Let's see if this works or not. Awesome. Now it was trying to open a medium. It opened a medium. Now it should try to find out the right. Okay, it already find the right option. Now it should enter the title and write a story of 5,000 words about dogs love towards human. Let's see. Just wanted to confirm if everything is working good or not. See, the Medium application has been opened and a new story draft has been created. You can manually add a title and write 5,000 word story about dogs loves towards human. Okay, you can manually add. Let's make it more clear. I just want open Medium app. Once the application is open, create a new story draft. Okay, now I'll try to add in the Medium draft. Please load dog. Just wanted to make sure if everything is working correctly or not. Okay, it was able to write a story in a medium. The only problem is that you need to specify the instructions in clear way so that it can be able to handle. It was writing a story about a dog in a medium. but I was missing a perfect instruction for LLM to understand and execute the task. Imagine you can automate the whole life cycle of writing and publishing articles.